The pandemic has now lasted long enough for research to be done on what all the illnesses, deaths, and restrictions are doing to our mental health. Tonight, Heather Yourex-West looks at the impact on teenagers.
Normally, Kyra Cato is in the gym training in gymnastics more than 30 hours a week. But since November, her gym has been closed.
It has been pretty frustrating, but I try to keep a positive outlook on everything, but it gets hard.
I opened up the other night asking questions about how they were feeling, and I had a lot of responses that were actually quite heart-wrenching.
Coach Jenna Ball says many of her athletes are struggling right now with feelings of anxiety and depression, unsure of how long they'll have to wait before things start to feel normal again.
We're seeing changes over the months that we've done our study. We're seeing, and most of it is going in the wrong direction.
A Calgary research project launched at the beginning of the school year surveyed more than 2,000 high school students in Calgary and Edmonton. In September, it found 17%, or 1 in 6, were experiencing critical levels of poor mental health. By December, when students were surveyed again, that number had risen to more than 20%, or about 1 in 5. Across the country, mental health professionals are seeing demand for their services rise. Calls to the Kids Help Phone more than doubled in 2020, indicating that not only are more young people struggling, but more people are reaching out for help.
The most important thing is that our young people are talking about what they're experiencing, and they're going through the process of trying to figure out some solutions for themselves that can help them get through this pandemic.
15-year-old Jane Sherwood says she's using art and music to get through these difficult times, and talking to her parents more as well.
I've become a lot more closer with my family through this, and so I think that we've kind of established a new kind of openness with that kind of thing, which I think has helped a lot.
Learning how to be resilient during an incredibly challenging time. Heather Yourex-West, Global News, Calgary.